푸른 상공에서 격추위기에 놓인 제트기.
Systems armed. Weapons hot. 60 seconds to establish radio contact. 20 seconds. 10 seconds.
과연 그들에게는 무슨 일이 일어났던 걸까요? 2주 전 베네치아의 한 경매장에서 잠복 중인 인터폴 요원들.
Carabinieri, tutela patrimonio culturale.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce you to...
Siete qui?
Sì, siamo qui.
Local police are in position.
바로 경매품을 노리는 사이러스에 대한 보고가 들어왔기 때문이었는데
The digital artist has remained anonymous throughout his career, but today he's here to auction off a single edition NFT.
He's not even wearing a mask. He's like, here I am.
Self-and portrait by N8.
그렇게 경매가 시작되고 금액을 올리기 시작한 사이러스.
12 million is the standing bid. 15. We have 15 here in Venice.
17 and a half.
Welcome to the bidding, Mr. Sage.
20 million.
최종 낙찰가가 불리자 도둑들이 작전을 개시합니다.
So,
Lift. Just spent $20 million. I want my NFT.
Perhaps we can make the transfer at our offices. Sorry for the confusion, sir. I can escort you out.
Or how about my yacht?
Yeah, okay.
미리 심어둔 미성과 함께 자연스럽게 아티스트를 납치하는 도둑들.
È in corso una rapina alla vostra casa d'aste.
Scusi?
Bisogna assicurare le opere. Ross, what if Cyrus is making a play for the NFT?
But the only way to steal an NFT
Is to steal the access code, and the only way to do that.
인터폴은 뒤늦게 그들의 계획을 알게 되지만
Stefano, ti serve una barca al mollo.
결국 눈앞에서 그들을 놓쳐버리고 말죠.
Nicely done, team.
사이러스를 중심 각 분야 최고의 실력자들이 모인 도둑팀.
Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Come on, let's get you paid.
사실 경매에서 멀쩡하게 낙찰에 성공한 그들이 작가를 납치한 데에는 두 가지 이유가 있었는데요.
Look, it's you.
People think I'm missing?
첫째는 인터폴의 시선을 경매장으로 돌린 뒤 런던에서 진짜 작품을 훔치기 위해서였고, 둘째는 납치 사건으로 경매 작품에 사연을 붙여 가격을 뻥튀기 하기 위해서였습니다.
We pre-sold the Van Gogh on the black market for $20 million. Enough to cover your NFT.
Why did you fake my kidnapping?
Borrowing.
Leonardo da Vinci sold the Mona Lisa for $25,000. Nobody gave a shit about her for 400 years until someone stole it. That smile is now worth $860 million because there's a crazy story behind it. Thanks that you've been kidnapped. Which only drove the price of the NFT through the roof.
89 million. What?
89 million. My calculations are correct. We made $42 million and you made $27 million. To the world's first heist of an NFT.
한편 그들을 놓쳐 이를 갈고 있던 에비는 그녀의 상사 헉슬리에게 새로운 지시를 받게 되는데,
What do you know about Lars Jorgensen?
He started as a banker who was legit, but then began putting his money into terror groups, bankrolling attacks around the world, then shorting the relevant stocks and making a fortune. He doesn't care how many people die, just how much ends up in his bank account.
바로 요르겐센이라는 테러범이 일으킬 대형 테러를 막으라는 것.
According to this weasel, Jorgensen's been chatting with the hacker group, Leviathan. They're planning some kind of massive strike on water. Utilities, dams, it's all on the grid now.
They could flood a city, dry up a whole country if they wanted.
테러를 막기 위해서는 요르겐센이 협력 조직에게 건넬 성금 5억 달러짜리 금괴를 훔쳐 자금줄을 막아야 했고,
And Jorgensen is going to move it from his vault in London to Zurich in 17 days.
And you can't intercept it because it's
Totally legal.
to move your own gold. No.
함부로 움직일 수 없는 인터폴 대신 사이러스 팀에게 일을 맡겨야 했는데요.
You want Cyrus to nick the gold.
I wouldn't have used the word nick.
A con man, a professional liar. You cannot possibly trust
To
him.
do things we don't like and make calls that we don't want. So the rest of the world can just carry on.
문제는 도둑들의 리더 사이러스가 그녀의 전남친이라는 사실이었습니다.
Took you long enough. Can I get you a drink? All the good stuff is in the back. You look good. Am I in trouble?
For stealing a Van Gogh, nicking the painting that was in the NFT.
Thought you'd appreciate the artistry involved.
애써 과거의 감정을 묻은 애비가 협조를 요청하지만
I have been ordered to offer you a deal.
What kind of deal?
We need you to steal something. The owner of the gold is a man named Lars Jorgensen.
작전이 위험하다는 이유로 그녀의 요청을 거절하는 사이러스.
You steal from, and there's some people that you don't steal from. Lars Jorgensen kills both.
We have you on the Van Gogh, Cyrus. It's full immunity for you and your crew.
Where are you at in all this?
What do you mean?
What's your role in the operation? Look, I know how these things work, and if Interpol's involved, that means as soon as things hit the fan, that we're left hung out to dry. But if you're with us, then they can't do that.
With you.
그는 애비와의 협업을 조건으로 결국 임무를 수락하기로 하죠.
So, 17 days from now, Lars Jorgensen is moving $500 million in gold bars from his bank in London to Zurich. By truck from the bank to Heathrow under heavy guard. And loaded onto a Sky Suisse passenger plane to Zurich.
그렇게 작전 준비에 돌입한 팀원들.
We're taking the plane.
Nice. We're borrowing it.
Love it.
If you can get the planes close enough together, you can swap the radar signature.
그들의 작전은 금괴가 된 비행기를 상공에서 통째로 납치하는 것이었고
We gotta make that jet invisible to radar, find a way to get it close to an A380 to swap signals, then crack a safe at 30,000 feet.
이를 위해서는 초특급 제트기가 필요했습니다.
You want me to give you my jet? It's a one-off concept model. NASA R&D. It's not even legal with the mods. I'm not even supposed to fly in American airspace. I do, though.
You just told an officer at Interpol that you've been illegally flying in US airspace.
But
We take the plane.
And the best part of this baby is that the whole of the underneath LED screen, which we can program. Gucci life.
무사히 제트기를 빌린 그들은 관제소에 들키지 않은 채 제트기를 가까이 접근시킬 수 있는 방법을 고민했고
The chance of us turning on the PSID and the transponder at the both moving over 700 miles per hour is next to impossible.
You can't hack the tech, you gotta hack the people. But do we know someone in Brussels?
결국 관제소 직원을 매수하기로 하죠.
Then I could lose my job. I could go to jail. They could pin a terrorism charge on me. So thanks, but no thanks.
You'll be saving lives.
I'll pay you $1 million.
Happy to be in business with you.
Cyrus, no, we don't have that kind of money.
I do.
그렇게 함께 작전을 준비하던 두 사람은 점점 속 깊은 이야기를 나누게 되는데
Okay, when I was a kid, my mom was headmistress at my school. It was kind of a shithole, but it had this picture that had been given to the school in the 70s, and my mum refused to sell it. That our school was just as important as some swanky art gallery. And then someone stole it. And I thought, when I grow up, I'm going to find out who did that and bring them down.
And did you?
No.
I admire that.
Oh, no.
하지만 짧은 평화를 누릴 겨를도 없이 요르겐센이 빠르게 움직이기 시작하죠.
Reports that cyber terrorists have targeted the city's main water grid. The death toll currently stands at 13, but that number is expected.
And these are just the starters. The main course is in 10 days.
I'm impressed. My portfolio thanks you. You can end your little demonstration now.
Just have a gold ready.
막상 작전의 위험성을 마주한 사이러스는 생각이 많아지는데
We're dealing with a guy who's willing to kill whatever gets in his way. I'm sorry, it's too much of a risk. Guys, I'm pulling it. This is no longer our job. The deal was me. I'm telling you all to walk away.
What's your plan without us?
It's not your problem, not anymore.
팀원들은 끝까지 리더와 함께하겠다는 말로 의리를 지키고
You know how much I like risk. I'm in.
Me too.
Yeah, me too. Count me in too.
You can't do this without us.
They really love you.
덕분에 작전도 수월하게 준비되며 마침내 작전 개시일 하루 전날이 되었습니다.
So Luke is working on making the private jet invisible to GPS, but to do the same for the A380, we need a PSID. It blocks all GPS transmissions from the A380 to air traffic control.
Okay, guys, listen up. We need to intercept the gold before it gets to Yorkson so he can't pay off the hackers. We get the pilot that we wanted?
Yes, with experience landing in Afghanistan.
When we land, Harry's guys will be on the ground to offload the gold onto a train by the landing strip. At the next station, Interpol will be waiting to receive our $500 million in gold.
Go!
No.
Oh my god, stop doing that!
Honestly, it's just awkward. It felt like a moment.
Rest up. Tomorrow's the biggest lift of our lives.
이제 모든 준비가 끝난 상황. 하지만 한 가지 걸리는 점이 있었는데
It looks like a bomb.
Yeah?
기내 반입이 불가능한 폭탄을 두고 고민하던 그들은 폭탄을 분해해 기내에서 다시 조립하기로 결정합니다.
That's for you, Magnus.
Game on!
This is the outfit you chose. This is what I'm wearing for this incredibly serious office.
Sometimes the best way to blend in is to stand out.
도둑팀이 입장하는 데 이어 금괴 운반을 맡은 요르겐센의 조직원들까지 비행기에 탑승하죠.
I'ma do something. Be cool now.
Flight 1412 with service to Zurich International.
제트기 조종사 카밀라를 제외한 팀원들도 자신의 자리에 앉았는데
You nervous?
Right now? Very much so.
I love every second of this. Is everybody in position?
Almost set.
Good to go.
Never better.
그때 갑작스러운 문제가 발생하고 맙니다.
Luke, what about you? Luke, where are you, buddy?
I couldn't do it.
바로 각 팀원에게 폭탄의 중요한 조각들이 분배되어 있는 상황에서 갑작스레 루크가 작전에서 빠져버린 것.
Signal booster, so the PSID will still work, but only if it's close to the car.
Take him to the first class bathroom.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
그렇게 불안이 고조되는 사이 카밀라가 모는 제트기가 출발하기 시작하고 팀원들도 요르겐센 조직원들의 감시 속에 작전을 개시합니다.
We've got eyes on us. 2 in first class.
Copy that. Keep your eyes open in case they make a move.
We're just cruising altitude. You are free to move about the cabin.
루크가 갖고 있던 신호 부스터의 부재로 폭탄 부품을 1등석 화장실로 옮기는 역할을 맡게 된 애비.
I'm going in.
This is the captain speaking.
그런데
Here we go.
Abby, it's me.
I need your help in here. Tell me you know how to help me fix this.
Shit, I don't know. I think so.
Hurry up, eh?
Come on.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.
Now it's real.
협동심을 발휘해 겨우 폭탄을 설치한 그들. 그 사이 금괴를 실은 비행기는 관제소 직원의 도움으로 무사히 그들의 목적지로 향하고 있었습니다.
1412 control. We have an AWOS warning coming out of Zurich. High winds, extreme weather, low visibility and falling. Flooding on the runway. Please proceed to Charlie Delta Foxtrot.
Copy that, Control. Proceeding as directed. Victor Sierra 1412.
Control to Victor Sierra 1412. You are clear for deployment.
Roger that.
관제소의 위치 추적도 피했겠다. 이제 남은 건 금고를 터는 것뿐.
Den, Magnus, it's vault time.
Our friends are getting restless, but we gotta stick to the clock.
I was wondering if you could.
쉽지만은 않은 상황에서 금고털이 전문 매그너스가 나서는데
cutting off the Wi-Fi now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the interruption with the Wi-Fi.
Nissan, how's the door sensor?
Just be careful of that pressure variance.
Showtime. Showtime? Showtime!
그때 수상한 낌새를 눈치챈 조직원들이 금고 쪽으로 향하고
I'm sorry, sir, but you'll have to take your seat.
We're landing in Zurich. Asia Captain. Tell him we got a medical emergency.
팀원들은 매그너스가 금고를 털 시간을 벌어주기로 합니다.
Buy Magnus some time.
기내에서 치열한 전투가 벌어진 사이 마침내 금고를 여는 데 성공한 매그너스. 하지만
Let's check on the gold, were we? Sorry, so close. I'm sorry.
You did good, buddy.
작전의 마무리 단계에서 그들은 아쉽게 실패를 겪게 됐고
Get down.
호랑이 굴에 직접 들어가게 되는 최악의 국면을 맞이합니다.
It's under control, sir. These amateurs provided a second plane.
Then I can help them.
Bring the thieves and the gold to me here.
Me knows what happened. We're flying to Tuscany. Get the gold on board. Well, I'll take my chances with the jet, but we'll lighten the load.
그렇게 테러범에게 금괴를 넘길 수 없다는 생각에 그들이 탄 제트기에 격추를 지시하는 인터폴 헉슬리.
It's headed toward Italy. Doesn't Jorgensen have property here?
Yes, there's a villa under a shell company in Tuscany.
NATO are not telling me an unidentified jet. That's a potential terrorist threat. We need to shoot them down.
Welcome. Nice to meet some of you in person.
Where is the gold?
그 사실을 모르는 그들은 토스카나로 향하고 있었고
You strapped in tight?
It's the gold! It's throwing us off balance! She's shaking off the stealth mods, isn't she?
She sure is.
잠시 후 그들의 뒤를 바짝 쫓은 나토군이 경고 메시지를 알립니다.
Get me NATO.
This is NATO first response. You are in direct violation of civilian aviation regulations.
You will be fired upon with live ordnance.
이를 한 관제 소직원이 격추를 막으려 하지만
November Foxtrot Romeo 180.
Repeat, there are civilians on board.
We have unconfirmed reports of civilians on board.
Look, we don't know for sure if they're on that plane or not.
We can't let Leviathan get that gold. You hear me?
Shoot it down.
헉슬리는 대의를 위해 소를 희생하기로 하죠.
Weapons hot. You have 60 seconds to establish radio condom 5.
그때 이 모든 상황을 돌파할 최후의 작전을 꺼내든 그들. 바로 초특급 제트기의 기능을 이용해 그들의 메시지를 전하는 것이었고
Control, we have contact.
Stand down. Repeat, stand down.
Repeat, standing down and breaking off.
Yes! Yes!
그렇게 무사히 격추위기를 넘긴 그들은 빠르게 다음 계획으로 돌입합니다.
Like the plane! Sorry about that.
Take it down.
Okay.
Now!
I'm sorry.
Get the remote! Get in there! We gotta get to the cockpit!
Grab him.
Okay, switch.
Pull up. I'm loving every second of this.
가까스로 위기에서 벗어나지만 또다시 발생한 문제.
We lost the hydraulic pump. We've got to land now, or we'll lose control. That's Jorgensen! Spencer's compound.
There's your gold. Right on time.
그들은 하는 수 없이 비상 착륙을 시도하는데 그만 요르겐센의 코앞에 금괴를 배달한 꼴이 되어버리죠.
Andiamo! Who the hell are you?
Leviathan, right?
I'm not gonna ask you again. Who are you?
Interpol. One of them is Interpol. We're out.
심지어 요르겐센은 방금까지 협력했던 조직을 겁박하는 잔인한 면모를 보여줍니다.
Which one of you is Interpol?
It's me. These are just civilians that you guys took hostage. You can let them go.
그때 때마침 등장한 경찰들.
Agente Gladwell, Interpol.
하지만 인터폴이 아닌 것을 확인한 요르겐센이 새치어로 상황을 벗어나려고 하는데
These people are intruders. I was defending my property.
Hold on.
그를 간파한 사이러스가 모든 상황을 녹화한 화면으로 혹시 모를 소란까지 잠재워 버리죠.
Me some play it.
My pleasure.
Enjoy prison.
잠시 후 뒤늦게 도착한 인터폴에게 상황을 보고하는 애비.
Agent Gladwell. I guess we're done.
Thanks for the backup, Stefano.
To tell you the truth, I wasn't sure you were going to make it. The NATO jets were this close.
Thank God Huxley stopped them. Huxley that stopped them, right?
그 순간 상사가 작전 도중 자신을 버렸다는 사실을 깨달은 에비는 오랫동안 몸담고 있던 인터폴에 이별을 고하게 됩니다.
You need a lift?
그렇게 에비는 자신과 놀라운 팀워크를 보여준 사이러스 팀과 한 배를 타게 되죠.
Where are we?
그렇게 몇 주 후 사이러스와 평화로운 시간을 보내고 있는 에비.
You know, I didn't trust Huxley.
You were obviously right about that.
아직 상사에게 배신당한 충격에 힘들어하던 에비는 그녀를 달래줄 따뜻한 선물을 받게 되는데
So, I got you something.
Liam Dower.
Liam Dower stole your mother's Hackney print. Found him, found out who he sold it to, and I bought it. For your school.
바로 그녀가 인터폴이 된 계기였던 도난 그림을 돌려받은 것. 그리고 놀라운 소식이 하나 더 있었는데
Another little thing. We stole the gold.
What?
Yeah.
사실 그들은 혹시 모를 작전 실패에 대비해 가짜 금괴를 만들어 진짜 금괴와 함께 비행기에 실었고
On the plane, while we were distracting the guys up top, we just had to guide the real gold out the door.
진작 내뺀 줄 알았던 루크는 진짜 금괴를 안전하게 착륙시키는 비밀 작전을 수행하고 있었던 것이었죠.
And Luke?
He was never out. He just had a different gig. Homeboy, you got nothing. Come on, let's go meet the team. Oh, my little fighter pilot.
마침내 모두가 합심해 훔쳤던 금을 다 같이 확인하는 그들.
Do you want to do the honors?
Oh, no, I shouldn't even be here.
Yeah.
Right there.
Here it is.
Does it always feel this good?
Welcome to the team, Agent Gladwell.
Call me Abby.
그렇게 한 팀이 된 그들의 모습을 마지막으로 영화 리프트 비행기를 털어라가 끝이 납니다. 2024년 1월 공개된 넷플릭스 신작 리프트 비행기를 털어라는 테러리스트의 공격을 막기 위해 5억 달러의 금괴를 훔쳐야 했던 국제강도단이 항공기 공중납치 작전을 펼치는 스펙타클한 이야기입니다. 우리에게 잘 알려진 배우 케빈 하트가 주연을 맡고 이탈리안지 맨인 블랙 분노의 질주 더 익스트림 작품을 맡았던 감독 필릭스 게리 그레이가 연출을 맡았죠. 이 작품은 한국에서 NS윤지로 활동했던 배우 김윤지 등 여러 명의 주인공이 등장해 금괴를 훔쳐야 한다는 하나의 목적을 함께 이뤄간다는 한다는 내용을 다루고 있는데요. 작품의 속도감이 빠르기 때문에 가볍게 볼 팝콘 무비가 필요하셨던 분들은 한 번쯤 리프트 비행기를 털어라를 찾아보셔도 좋을 것 같습니다. 영상과 함께 즐거운 시간 보내셨나요? 가시기 전 채널 성장의 밑거름인 소중한 구독 한번 부탁드립니다. 그럼 다음에 더 좋은 영상으로 보답드리겠습니다. 감사합니다. 무드서치였습니다.